Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by assembling materials and choosing your note size so the process is repeatable. Measure and cut each sheet to 3x 3 inches or another preferred dimension. Consistent size keeps edges aligned. Stack 10-20 sheets neatly with edges flush. This creates a usable pad thickness. Once done, mark a 1/2-inch strip along the top edge where the adhesive will go, because precise placement ensures even adhesion. Now you learn how to glue the pad edge so notes peel cleanly. Apply a thin, even coat of glue along the marked 1/2-inch strip across the top edge. Too much glue seeps between sheets. Press the stack flat with a clamp or binder clip against a rigid board to create uniform pressure. This avoids gaps. Let the adhesive set for 10-20 minutes, then add a second light coat if needed so the bond holds yet allows individual sheets to peel off. To finish, trim any misaligned edges so the pad looks neat and add a thin backing board for support if you want rigidity. Peel a single note to test the adhesive. It should release cleanly with slight resistance. If sheets come off in clumps or don't stick, sand the top edge lightly to remove residue and apply a stronger adhesive coat. Make sure to press evenly and let it cure fully. With that, your sticky notes are ready for everyday use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.